Milo went to the sea one day with his little hat and bucket to play. Splash, splash in the blue, blue sea. Hello, ocean, wait for me. A big wave came. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Milo slipped with a funny swoosh. Oops, he laughed, I'm wet, you see. Then something jumped from the sea. Out popped Doffy, shiny and gray. Hello, Milo, want to play? My name is Doffy, splash and spin. Come and ride on my fin. Milo laughed, that looks fun. They jumped and splashed in the sun. Doffy flipped and made a spray. Milo giggled all the way. They chased bubbles in the sea. Swam past fish, 1, 2, 3. Doffy danced and swam with glee, making waves for Milo to see. Soon the sun went down so slow. Time for Milo home to go. Goodbye, Doffy, wave and cheer. I'll come back to see you here. Milo smiled at the shiny sea. What a fun adventure for me.